In today's video, we are going to be diving into creating a new YouTube account. And in this video, you're not going to be needing any Google account. That is, you don't need your Gmail, you don't even need any email at all to create this account. You just add it up in your YouTube channel, like the one you are using right now. You just add it up, and that's what I'm going to be teaching you today. So if this video is going to be helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscription button, and don't forget to like this video. Please leave a comment below after watching this video and tell me if this video was helpful. So without much wasting your time, let's dive into the main video.
So all you need to do is come to your Chrome browser, type in studio.youtube.com, studio.youtube.com. Sorry. So all you need to do is come to your Chrome browser, type in studio.youtube.com. So once you are here on your Chrome browser, you tap login. Okay, so it's going to be taking you to this interface. Okay, let's wait for it to load. It's going to be taking time, but let's wait for it to load. Okay, so once you are here, you have to come down and see where they wrote, where I see a certain icon at the bottom left part of this place. So you see it here. Okay, so you see settings, you come to your channel. Yeah, then once you are here in channel, you go to advanced settings. So once you're in advanced settings, you scroll down all the way down and you see other settings. See where it says manage YouTube account. So you tap on manage YouTube account. So it's going to be redirecting you to this particular page. So you can open with anything you want to open it with. Okay, so I choose youtube.com. So here you can see where it says channel status and features. You see where it says create a new account, a new channel. So you have to press on create a new channel. Okay, so it's going to be bringing you, says this is used to publicly represent your channel on YouTube. You can change this later. This creates a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. So all you need to do now is you tap on your name. So I'm going to be giving this channel a name. So goodness and family vlog. So let's give it goodness and family vlog. So all you need to do after creating it, all you need to do is come to where it says create channel, then you create channel. Okay, so it's going to take a whole lot of time for it to create. And yes, this is the new channel. Create content on any device, upload and record home. Or so if you want to switch back to your account, all you need to do is tap on you, that is on your profile, where it says, like mine is showing G. So you now see where it says switch account. Then you can now possibly switch account to any particular account that you want. So this is my account now and I'm back to it. So that is how to create this video. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscription button and like this video, share it to people who will also want it. So see you in the next video.